Right. Today we're going to be trying to fix this bolt because, as you can see, it keeps dropping on your head, and that is because of these gas boot struts. Get me popper up on. Now I'm going to have to take these panels off, and they just unbolt there. And we've got the new ones. Which side is that? I don't know what side they are. Q and H. As you can see, different part numbers are different each side. So they look well. Hopefully they'll stop boot dropping on daughter's head. I'm going to show how easy it is, because Beth's going to do it for us. I think I'll try and move that panel a bit first though. So I'll come back to you in a minute. As you can see, I've just peeled it back with these clips holding it on, there and there, to easily get to them nuts so we don't have to take it all off. It should be quite easy for her. Get back to you in a minute.
Oh, why does it have to be so good?
Don't swear.
That is too fat.
And pull it, it's going to be tight.
It's trapped.
Eh? You have to get a good pull because it's tight.
Oh!
You might hurt your fingers.
No, the fact that it's going to fall on my head. The boot won't hit me, will it?
Once you push that walking stick out that way, you'll have to get rid of that after this.
Okay, that's a bit wrong once.
Not your fingers yet. There we go, that's one bit off. Just that bit up there to do now. Should be loose enough now.
I do not want to do it with glue. With this.
I'm getting my head under it just in case.
Thanks. You might want to move your arm. I mean my head.
the old one off and the new one's here. Get it fitted.
The old one.
Oh, and that's so it don't bang us on head. Put the other one in first.
Done. Am I keeping them loose until I get the other ones in?
Eh?
Am I keeping them loose until I get the bottom ones in?
Yeah.
Done.
Alright, I'll get back inside.
Does it have to be tighter?
Yeah.
I got distracted. There's like some Velcro looking thing on the inside of it. Ow.
Hold your finger on it, that's it. Should be tight enough to the bottom one there. Right, the top. Finger on it, they won't slip off. So do the same to this side now. And here we have the right side ready to go on. A lot quicker this taking this one off. Right, moment of truth. Let go. There we go. Whoa, they're stiff. Not used to that. Jesus. In fact, it's going to spring up a bit now. Whoa. To make sure that knotties aren't chin there. Want some knotties in that. There we go. Nice simple fix. Pop all these back together now. Obviously different cars have different ways of doing it. I don't know why Suzuki have done it this way, but sometimes they'll have a ball on end on the socket, just knock it on, knock it off. Well, these are a bit more awkward. Right, bye.